Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Salesforce connector. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to configure the connection and ensure your application has the necessary permissions to access all the data it needs. First, you need to create an application in Salesforce. To do this, navigate to the Setup page. Then go to Apps, External Client Apps, External Client App Manager. Click on the new External Client App button. A form will now appear. Fill in the required fields such as the name and the contact email. Make sure the distribution state is set to local. Next, scroll down to the API section and check the box to enable OAuth. Then enter your callback URL. For example, your localhost URL. In the OAuth Scopes section, select Manage User Data via APIs and click the right arrow to move it to the selected scopes. Scroll down further and enable Client Credentials Flow in the Flow Enablement section. Then click Create. Once the application is created, go to the Policies tab and scroll down to OAuth Flows and External Client App Enhancements. You will need to enable this feature. To do so, click Edit on your app, scroll to the same section, and enable Client Credentials Flow. A Run As field will appear below. Enter the username of the user that will be used to create your Myddleware connector. Now that your application is configured, go back to Myddleware. Navigate to Connectors, create a connector, then select the Salesforce V2 connector. Enter a name for your connector as well as the application URL. Next, you will need your consumer key and consumer secret. Go back to your external application in Salesforce and open the Settings tab. Scroll down to OAuth Settings, then click on the button to generate your consumer key and secret. You will receive a confirmation email and then be redirected to a page where you can copy these credentials. Paste them into your Myddleware instance and click the Test button. If the indicator turns blue, your connector has been successfully configured. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Salesforce connector.